Imagine a city that never sleeps, where millions of messages are sent every second, orders, notifications, updates, and alerts.
Now, imagine if all the data had to flow seamlessly, without delays, without bottlenecks, and without losing a single piece of information. That's the world of Apache Kafka, the unsung hero behind the scenes of modern data-driven applications.
But what exactly is Kafka? And why is it a must-have tool for data engineers?
Let's dive in. Apache Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform designed to handle real-time data feeds with high throughput, low latency, and fault tolerance. It was originally developed by LinkedIn in 2011 and later open-sourced under the Apache Software Foundation. Kafka acts as a central nervous system for data, enabling systems to communicate, process, and store streams of information in real time. Think of Kafka as a highway for data.
It allows producers' data sources to send messages to consumers' data destinations through a network of interconnected roads called topics and partitions. Whether it's tracking user activity on a website, processing financial transactions, or monitoring IoT devices, Kafka ensures that data flows smoothly and reliably. Now, let's break down Kafka's architecture.
At its core, Kafka is composed of a few key components: producers, applications that send data to Kafka topics.
Topics, categories or streams where data is published, like user activity or payment transactions.
Partitions, topics are divided into partitions to enable parallel processing and scalability.
Brokers, servers that store and manage the data streams. Consumers, applications that read and process data from Kafka topics.
Zookeeper, a coordination service that manages Kafka brokers and maintains metadata, though newer versions of Kafka are moving away from Zookeeper. This distributed architecture makes Kafka highly scalable, fault-tolerant, and capable of handling millions of messages per second. But what can Kafka actually do? Let's explore its uses.
Kafka is used across industries for a variety of real-time data streaming use cases.
For example, real-time analytics, processing and analyzing data as it's generated, like tracking user behavior on a website. Log aggregation, collecting and storing logs from multiple systems for monitoring and troubleshooting.
Event-driven architectures, enabling microservices to communicate asynchronously through events.
IoT data processing, handling massive streams of data from sensors and devices.
Financial transactions,
processing and validating transactions in real time. Data integration, acting as a bridge between legacy systems and modern applications.
Kafka is the backbone of companies like Netflix, Uber, and Airbnb, powering their real-time data pipelines. But managing Kafka infrastructure can be complex. That's where Confluent Cloud comes in.
Confluent, founded by the creators of Kafka, offers a serverless version of Kafka called Confluent Cloud.
This managed service eliminates the need for data engineers to worry about infrastructure, scaling, or maintenance. With serverless Kafka, you can focus on building data pipelines while Confluent handles the heavy lifting.
Confluent Cloud comes with some incredible features: automatic scaling, resources scale up or down based on demand,
pay-as-you-go pricing, you only pay for what you use, built-in connectors, PIE-built integrations with databases, cloud services, and applications.
Global availability, deploy Kafka clusters across multiple regions for low-latency data streaming.
Now, why should data engineers care about Kafka?
Here's the deal. Kafka is not just a tool, it's a game changer.
Here's why. Real-time data processing. Kafka enables real-time data pipelines, which are critical for modern applications. Scalability. Kafka can handle massive volumes of data, making it ideal for growing businesses. Fault tolerance. Data is replicated across multiple brokers, ensuring no data loss even if a server fails. Decoupling systems. Kafka allows systems to communicate without being tightly coupled, improving flexibility and resilience. Ecosystem integration. Kafka integrates seamlessly with tools like Apache Spark, Flink, and cloud services like AWS, GCP, and Azure.
Career growth. Mastering Kafka is a highly sought-after skill in the data engineering world, opening doors to exciting opportunities. From real-time analytics to seamless system integration, Apache Kafka is the engine that keeps the data world moving. Whether you're building a small application or a global enterprise system, Kafka ensures your data flows effortlessly.
So, If you're a data engineer looking to level up your skills, it's time to embrace Kafka, the heartbeat of modern data pipelines.
Master Kafka. Transform data. Build the future. Until next time, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you haven't.